In larger electrical power transformer, for proper voltage regulation of transformer, on-load tap changer is required, as there is no permission of switching off the transformer during tap changing. In this kind of load tap changers, oil is used for arc quenching purpose. Depending on the load of the transformer and other parameters, arcs keep producing at the arcing switches and contact. These arcs tend to carbonize the switching oil, which in turn leads to corrosion of the internal components of the LTC. The intensity of the oil that is contaminated due to these arcs generally depends on the number operational hours, operating current on the LTC, and, last but not the least, quality of the oil used for insulation purposes. It is recommended that a regular overhaul and oil replacement is done in each 6-month period, in order to ensure the durability of the load tap changer and its components. Here transformer oil is topping up after maintenance work. Thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe my channel for new video.